Hi guys, welcome to the Mathematician. Today we're going to be going over the STAAR 7th grade math and STAAR 2017 7th grade math. In another tab here I have the formula for reference, formula guide for reference. So let's get started. Marie bought 6 packets of tomato seeds. Each packet contained 24 seeds. She planted 1 packet of the seeds and 15 seeds sprouted. Which statement about the seeds and the remaining packet is best supported by the information? No more than 50 seeds will sprout, between 50 and 100 seeds will sprout, at least 100 but no more than 120 seeds will sprout, and all 120 seeds will sprout. So let's look at our question again. So if Marie, she planted 1 packet of seeds, but only 15 seeds of the 1 packet was there, so that would mean we'd have to multiply 15 times 6 to get how many seeds that actually planted, right? Which would actually sprout, because the answer choice would say will sprout, will sprout, will sprout. So it just says, though the question says which is best supported. So if we read through the answer choices first, it says no more than 50 seeds will sprout, will sprout, will sprout, will sprout. So we have to find out how many seeds will sprout. So we know that 90 seeds will sprout. So we go through this question. No more than 50 seeds will sprout. Wrong. Between 50 and 90 seeds will sprout. Yes. Because 90 is between 50 to 100. At least 100, but no more than 120 seeds will sprout. No. All 120 seeds will sprout. No. So our answer is B. Let's go on to number 2. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle F. What is the value of x in centimeters? So this is our x. So remember, like they're kind of similar, so meaning they're kind of proportionate, sort of. So we have to find x. So we know, so this and this to this. So you can say, let's say, look, this to this, x to 18 are proportionate as the same way as 15 to 12, right? So let's use these two numbers. So we can say x over 18 is proportionate to 15 over 12, right? So what we do next, we cross multiply. So first we cross multiply like that. So, oops, sorry if that got a little sloppy there, but so when you cross multiply, 12 times x, which is 12x, is equal to 18 times 15, which should equal, I'm not going to show the long math, but I'll just say the answer. So 18 times 15 equals 270. So then, remember when we have to get x by itself. So how would we get x by itself? So to get x by itself, we have to get rid of this coefficient, which is 12, right? So to get rid of 12, we'd have to divide it. Since we're multiplying to get 12, we'd have to divide it. We do the inverse always. So we multiply by 12, 1 over 12 on this side. We have to do it on the other side. So we multiply 1 over 12. So then x would equal 270 over 12, right? But you just don't want to leave your answer there, because you could actually simplify farther, right? You always have to make sure your answer is simplified farther before you just keep going. So 270 divided by 12 is 22.5. You could do this by hand. I'm not gonna like show it, just to no, I don't want to waste time. So our answer is F. Let's go to number 3. If x equals 14, which equation is true? So what we have to do in this problem is we have to plug in values for x, if x in this given situation. So in this x, like say a number D, let's plug in 14 instead of x. So if you plug in 14 instead of x, it would be times 14 minus 3. So 2 times 14 minus 3, will that equal 22? Let's see. 2 times 14 is equal to 28 minus 3 equals 22. Let's see, 28 minus 3 is 25. 25 does not indeed equal 22, so that is wrong. So D is wrong. Let's see. 2 times 14 minus 3, because remember we have to plug in x instead. Where x is, we have to plug in 14. So 2 times 14 minus 3 is equal to 22. So let's see, does it match? Let's see, 2 times 14 is 28 minus 6. Well, except 22. 26 minus 6 is 22, and 22 is 22. So C is my correct, but make sure you double check the other answers, sure, because you don't want to like you might have made a silly mistake, and make sure you double check all the other answers before coming to a conclusion. So let's try this one. You plug in 14 instead of x, so 3 times 12 minus 14 equals 6. So 3 times 12 is 36 minus 3 times 14 is 42, so minus 42 is equal to 6. It's not equal to 6, but I think that's equal to a negative 6, so that's not the right answer. Be careful about the signs here, because 36 minus 42, so negative 42 is overpowers the positive 36. 3 times 20 minus 14 equals 44. Let's see. 60 minus 42 does not equal 44. 60 minus 42 is equal to 18, not 44. So our answer is C.